Tyler, you're in timeout. Why is Buster standing there with you?
He helped me.
Did he help you make this mess?
Yes. He said it looked like snow. He wanted to build a snowman.
Who gave you permission to go outside? Who did this?
No, I didn't do it. This silly dog did it.
Oh my gosh, is that my lipstick? Stop, he looks crazy. Wipe it off.
No, Mom, it looks beautiful. Now let's put this one up. No, I didn't do it. The dog did it.
Oh my goodness, what happened to Cooper? Why is he covered in all those stickers?
He's a big boo-boo.
A boo-boo. Is he bleeding? Did he fall down?
No, he is hurting his feelings.
Hurting his feelings, what happened?
You were mean to him about the shoes.
I just told him he couldn't eat them.
Who gave you permission to go outside?
No, I didn't do it.
The dog did it.
Oh my God, what happened in here?
It's snowing.
Snowing? Look at the dog, he's covered in flour.
Mama, that's not how. He turned into a goat. You cannot see.
Are you ready? Who made this mess?
I didn't do it. The dog did it. Really?
Leah, why are you and Daisy standing in the corner? Hiding from what? The giant mess you two made on the floor?